When you got a hiccup and you don't want to hiccup, go on to the garden, I know something you can pick up. Hick, hick, here they come again, man. Up, up, get up with the plant plan. Just a leaf of cabbage and you got 'em on the run, man. Put it on your belly and then soon they will be gone, man. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. When you got to bubble and you caught up in the burp, loop, you lie down on the floor and then you sit up and you slurp, soup, burp, burp. Here they come again, man. Slurp, slurp. Soon they will be gone, man. Get down on your belly and you got 'em on the run, man. Another sip of simple soup and soon they will be gone, man. Hiccup, hiccup, oh, hiccup, hiccup. Well, you jump 2 times. Jump up to the left and the right. Left, right. Hiccup, hiccup, oh, hiccup, hiccup, oh, hiccup, hiccup, oh, hiccup, hiccup, oh.